Mulching! It's like giving your garden soil a cozy blanket and a healthy snack in one fell swoop. But what is mulch, and why is it a gardener's best friend? Mulch is a layer of material applied to the surface of a soil around plants to help protect and improve the soil. Most often, we use organic materials or materials that break down over time, like wood chips and straw. But compost, leaves, and grass clippings can all be used effectively as well. Organic mulch is the go-to for most home gardeners because it feeds the soil as it breaks down. All the different materials have different pros and cons. Straw is great for vegetable gardens. It's light and easy to spread, allowing the smaller plant seedlings to pop right through. Grass clippings can also work, but they should be used sparingly and only if you don't put chemicals in your lawn. If you fertilize or use herbicides, don't use the clippings as mulch. Shredded leaves are free and very effective at both protecting and adding nutrients to the soil, but they are generally only available in the fall. Wood chips or bark mulch is the most common mulching material, perfect for perennial beds and pathways, slower to break down compared to all the other organic options. And compost is a great mulch too. It's the best for adding nutrition and improving soil health. Now let's talk about weeds. Mulch is amazing for weed suppression. When you spread a thick layer, about 2 to 3 inches, it blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, stopping them before they even get started. Always pull existing weeds before laying down mulch, and don't pile mulch right up against plant stems. Leave a little room so the stem doesn't rot. Mulch is also an important tool to help with moisture retention. A thick layer of mulch acts like a blanket to keep the soil cooler and prevent the water from evaporating out of it too quickly. This means less watering and happier roots. This is especially true in the summer months or if you live in a dry climate. And it's always the right time to mulch, but getting right to it in the spring, right after the soil warms up, is a great place to begin. Many hardware stores will run mulch sales in April and May, allowing you to get pre-bagged mulch for half off. Organic mulch does break down over time. In my experience, several inches of bark mulch will last for about 2 years before you need to add another inch on top. The other materials like straw, leaves, compost will all need to be reapplied every year and potentially twice a year. Mulching is a game changer. If you haven't yet tried it, make sure to do it this year. Let's grow!